This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating power and static risk. Unplug the monitor or laptop, detach HDMI/DP and USB, and remove batteries if present. Once done, ground yourself with a strap and clear a flat workspace so screws and panels don't get lost. Make sure to have a small Phillips and a plastic spudger ready. These are the basic tools that prevent screen damage. You'll move quickly into opening the bezel next, and this initial care preserves connectors and the display surface. You now open the bezel with controlled pressure, starting at corners and sliding a spudger along edges to release clips. Do not force any area. Once exposed, remove all visible screws that hold the panel, keep them labeled by position. Next, tilt the panel forward slightly, locate the LVDS or EDP ribbon and the backlight/inverter connector, and release their locks. Make sure to support the panel as you disconnect cables. This prevents stress on fragile connectors and readies the assembly for full. You finish by lifting the panel straight out and placing it on a soft, static-free surface to avoid scratches. Then, reverse the disassembly to reassemble. Reconnect LVDS/EDP and backlight, secure screws, and snap the bezel back in place. Before powering up, double-check cable seating and screw torque. If the screen doesn't power or shows artifacts, make sure connectors are fully seated and inspect power rails for proper voltages. That single check resolves most post-reassembly display failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.